Hi, welcome to our comic Finding Nemo. Well, two clownfish, Merlin and his wife Coral, were excited to be first-time parents. They were discussing name, and Coral was expressing her fondness for Nemo. Suddenly, a barracuda appeared, but Coral was ignoring Merlin's order to hide. She moved to protect her eggs, and the barracuda let it. When he came to that night, he discovered that Coral and the eggs are gone, but he managed to find a single surviving egg. But he born with a scratch on its right side. After that, he vowed to protect him, has, and he named it as Nemo. Time after, on the morning of his first day of school, Mr. Ray, the local teacher, took the children on a field trip. Upon arrival, Nemo follows three of his peers. They was worried with Mr. Ray's lesson, so they decided went to the reef where they saw a boat anchored in the distance. They dared each other to swim out into open water, to touch the boat, and suddenly a diver appeared behind him and trapped him in a small box.
After that, Marlin met Dory. He realized that Dory was very forgetful, so he didn't trust her so much. They decided to enter a ship, which was abandoned to talk more, but they didn't know what awaited them. When they were talking, they were watching a shadow appear behind them. It was about three sharks, which wanted to were their friends. Marlin and Dory were very scared, but they controlled the sharks, and as soon as could, they escaped. At the same time, Nemo realized that he was captured by a dentist to be a gift from his niece. Suddenly, Nemo had new fish friends, with whom he devised a plan to escape through the water filter, and they has managed to escape.
Okay, this is the second part, and later they found some jellyfish and they have to be careful because they could touch them, and that was happening. Then they meet some turtles on the way. They have been a lot of fun with turtles, and they even became friends with them and their friends, childrens, until they took them to where they were going. Okay, the eighth part, the turtles leave. Them and continue on their way, and until they find a well, and she takes them to Sydney. That's where Nemo was, but they didn't have a much luck, since they caught Nemo in a plastic bag. And the ninth part, that is the moment when Darla, the daughter of dentist, arrives, to whom they were going to give a little fish a pet, and since they had put a new artifact in the fish tank, and they catch Nemo.
Okay, later, the dentist was seeing Nemo deep in the bag where Marlin was seeing his son. That's why it was depressed. Nemo managed to escape from the dentist thanks to the help of his friend. After that, Nemo was swimming to find his father when he ran into Dory, and together started to search Marlin. But when they find Marlin, they are got caught fishing net. However, they all join forces and escape from the net. Finally, after a long run, Nemo and his father returned home where they started the life over in the company of their friend as Dory, the turtle, and the sharks. Nemo went back to school and Marlin relaxed and stopped being an overprotective parent. The end.